Good morning, everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. Hope you guys are doing well. I've got Tater Tot, my smart car, completely loaded up for an epic couple of days. I'm gonna go do something I have wanted to do ever since I even thought about lifting this car, and that is take it to a campground where this car would not have made it with the stock suspension and tires. Also a place that would be really difficult to get my Class C RV into. So we're following some friends to a place where we're all gonna camp, and I'll show you once we pull into camp. Yeah, we're gonna meet here at the general store. We got Carolyn in her Class C RV. Hey, Carolyn. Hey. And then Kevin's got his van. Oh, I see a Yorkie. I see a Yorkie right there. Kevin's in getting some night crawlers because we all got Arizona fishing licenses. Kevin's got, let me go in the back. Such a nice van here. He's got vanity plates. CBK, Arizona, pretty cool. Man, that's a nice looking van. Oh man, not a cloud in the frickin' sky here in Arizona. We got about 10 miles of this, and then we're gonna get off-road for a little bit. Wow, we got down here to Pine Top, and all of a sudden there's really tall pine trees. It's like a totally different area of Arizona with these tall trees. And I love pine trees. Oh, what a great day. Kevin's got his blink. No, he just turned his blinker off. Okay, we're going past this one. He's got his blinker back on. So, let's see. How far up into the woods are we gonna go here? A horse cattle guard there. Actually, the road doesn't look that bad. This is nicely graded right here. Wow. What a neat little spot. Kevin and Felix have camped here before. Felix likes to say that this is better than Sandy Bottoms in Georgia. That's what he told me. We'll see. Okay, the road changes right here, and this is where it starts to look a little more off-road. Now, you probably can't tell, but there is absolutely no way that past Tater Tot would have made it through this stuff. Huge ruts in the road. You gotta have high clearance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is cool though. I'm gonna go over here, I think. Doing good, Tater Tot. Doing good. Little bumpy, little bumpy. It's okay. We can handle it. Oh, look at that little RV, little jamboree over there. Yeah. I'm so glad I lifted this car. This is fun. This is fun. How far back are we going though? Looks like this may be our camp up here. Felix already set up and spent a night here without us. Kind of to reserve it, but also just to get a head start on us. So, yeah, let me figure out where I'm gonna park, and I will let you know. All right, well, we're here. I'm gonna plop a tent right there in that soft spot right there, get my camp set up here, and then we'll walk around and check this place out. It's about 75 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky in Arizona. Let's do some camping. All right, well, I am set up about as much as I want to do here initially. First, Tater Tot, borrowing Kevin's motorcycle tent over there, and I got my little campsite over here, so I'll show you what's going on here. Again, I want to have a whole system in the back of Tater Tot that's always ready for trips like this myself. I did get a couple of things. I got one of these Coleman 2-burner stoves. I got a skillet here and a kettle pot here to make my instant coffee. I did get an inflatable twin mattress for the tent and brought all my stuff. Look at all that blue sky, and the sun's about to go right through there. So I've got some solar panels set up. I brought a couple power stations to power my fridge. Felix is over here. He's got his Suzuki Sidekick in this awesome tent that fits behind it, so that he can keep the back open and then sleep right there. He's got his fridge plugged in. It's a really cool setup. Got Felix sitting here. Hey, Kevin, he's got the van out today. Awesome, camping in the van. We're gonna enjoy all this sunshine here, maybe go fishing later. Perhaps one of the cleanest Ford E150s out there. I mean, clean, clean. 99. Oh, he's got the oops too, a 99. Look at the upholstery in here.
47,000 miles now.
It's 47,000 miles, and it is clean, clean. That tint came out great. Already got the bug guard on. And these guys here. Look at this. Look at this van, guys. I'm jealous. This would be a cool camper, but it's no smart car.
Yeah, I just went simple with it. I made this this bed frame.
Oh yeah.
I made it in the parking lot at Home Depot.
I remember that video, yeah. I've done that before.
my Brooklyn bedding mattress. This is a queen. This is the Aurora Lux.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I'm really roughing it out here.
Holy cow, comfy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna live in this van. This is like for a weekend to a week or two. Just keeping it simple, something to travel with.
You could take this down to Phoenix and be real comfortable.
And it already came some.
Wow.
It's a one-owner van. And he come in here and put all this in.
Put all the curtain. Wow.
Then I limoed it. So back to the basics.
Yeah, no, I like it, man. I'm glad you're back in the van. I like Felix's tracker. What's a sidekick actually? Same thing. He brought me down here to the reservoir dam. I'm gonna do some fishing, and then I think Kevin and Carolyn are gonna join us here later too. We're gonna see if anybody can catch anything out here at the water. This is that area I came to a couple years ago, and the campground was closed, and they say, oh, you can't camp here anymore. It's still closed. It's a beautiful campground, but it is closed. And we're camping up on the other hill over there. A few people fishing over there. I'm gonna get my line set up and get ready. We can catch anything today, Felix?
I hope so. I hope the sun is not too hot.
Let's see.
Fish with more than one pole?
Yes, you can.
Oh, well, good.
Carolyn's over there on the bottom, looking for catfish on the very bottom. I'm out with a sinker and 12 inches of floating trout bait, trying to see if they're hungry right out here. Yeah, and Kevin's on the bank over there fishing. I don't know what he's looking for out there. And see some fish jumping now. You know, back in Washington State, when I go visit for the summer and I get a temporary fishing license, I think a 3-day is somewhere around $33 for an out-of-stater, because I don't live in Washington State anymore. Yeah, I think $32 or $33 for 3 days. Here in Arizona, as a non-resident, I got an entire annual freshwater fishing license for $55. So, and I'm sure I'm going to be using it this summer since there's a lot of bodies of water here in Arizona. Finally, somebody caught something. We've been out here a couple hours, and Carolyn just snagged a nice looking trout, rainbow trout.
Rainbow.
Nice job, Carolyn. Well, that's a wrap. I'm still a bad fisherman. Had fun out here for a couple hours. At least Carolyn caught something. So yeah, we're gonna head back to camp and make some hot dogs. Well, here in this dispersed camping area, we don't have any picnic tables. But no worries, I'm grilling on the tailgate of my smart car. Some dogs, yeah. Works. Oh yeah, look at those dogs. Heck yeah. All right, here goes nothing.
All right.
Oh yeah. Tastes like camping. Hey, I can throw it on the ground because we're outside.
Oh, throw it on the ground, I'll kick it for a go.
All right, Felix just got the fire going again here at camp. That'll be nice. Bunch of wood to burn here tonight. Kevin and Carolyn are still out fishing. I guess that means they're probably having a good night. Well, that's good. And good morning, everyone. I'm heating up some water here on the back of the tailgate here for some coffee. Had a really good night here. We had a really big warm fire for everyone, and it was very comfortable to have a campfire out here in Arizona. Now I need some coffee. I'm the first one up. Yeah. It's only 6:30. I've been waking up really early in Arizona, but going to bed early too and getting stuff done. Just can't even sleep in while I'm camping. And now we're talking. No camping trip is complete without some fresh fried bacon. Not a bad little setup. And gotta have some scrambled eggs fried in bacon grease. Gotta. Now that's a good looking breakfast. I'm gonna make the rest of the bacon later. And I get to use my combo camping knife, fork, spoon, can opener device guy with it too. Try some of these bacon eggs. Oh my gosh. They're like infused with bacon grease. This sucks. It sucks. Perfectly well done, Eric. Nicely done. But I know those kitties are missing me, and they're gonna need their breakfast. So we're gonna be packing up camp today, heading back to see the kitties. And we're back. As much as I actually enjoyed tent camping out there with friends, it is nice to be back to the homestead. I'm looking forward to seeing the kitties. What I'd like to do is come up with a system that I can keep in one of these sheds and then just throw in here real quick when I want to go car camping. And next time we're bringing the kitties no matter what. We will bring a little temporary litter box and maybe get them a second tent out there, because it just wasn't the same without them. But, you know, pull out the big speaker that's down here, the subs, put those in, put something in here that has all of my camping gear all the time. I think that would make it so that I would go tent camping a lot more. Yeah, let's see the kitties. They're probably hungry. Do you guys even know who I am? No, man. Just put the food in the bowl and step away. All right, Opie. I love you, Tara. Yeah, Daddy takes care of the kitties. I sure do. Then back here at base camp, I've been twiddling around a little bit. I got my cornhole set up here over the, you call them leach fields of my septic system. So, cornhole. There's literally no chance of rain. As soon as I said it, I kind of laughed. But otherwise, I wouldn't leave them out if there were a chance of rain. Also, what's going on here? My KFC sign is going to go right there. I actually want to order some LED strip lights to go behind it, and then I'll drill a hole through the garage to the power station so that my KFC sign will light up at night and shine on this field over here. But yeah, I still got to clear out everything else from Tater Tot, the smart car. Got my solar set up, guys. Got it set up. This is 1200 watts here total, and then 1280 watts on the RV over there. This is just temporary, obviously, on the ground like this with all my portable solar panels, but charging a power station right there. And inside Babe the Blue Box, check it out. I got 13 years of magnets displayed here. It is so fun for me to just sit here and look at every single magnet and remember where I was in this crazy country or other countries that I've been to, and just relive the memories by way of magnets. Yeah. Alternatively, you'll notice dun 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 shelving. I have 8 of these matching 5-tier 72-inch shelving put together, ready to go. All that's left in here is, so my collections of Mickey, Harley, and Camel, but also I see some Christmas decorations and inflatables back there. So those 4 things are left in this corner right here. I'm gonna go through them, and pretty soon here, start displaying my Mickey Mouse collection over here, followed by Harley stuff, and Camel stuff, and hopefully a chair or a seat over here. Got the window open, letting some fresh air in here on base camp. Just beautiful. Look at this forecast. Look at this forecast, guys, for Arizona. This is it. Now, it's not always this nice, but 75 degrees almost every day. And look at all those zeros. 0% chance of rain. Oh my, thank you. That's what I love about Arizona. And there are some other updates coming to base camp, some other things I'm working on. My mom sent me this sign, "There is no place like home." I love it. Yeah. And then we got Freeda over here with the kitties. We're gonna have to burn some cardboard tonight, though. It's starting to pile up here in the corner right here. So if the wind dies like it normally does at night, I'll burn some of that tonight. Also, over here, you'll notice a couple things. I've got my hot tub inflated, but not full, and I've moved my 550-gallon water tank to here. A little higher than over there, and also a lot more sun. So come wintertime, when the sun comes up in the east, it'll be on it first thing in the morning, which will be a good thing. I have water ordered. As I mentioned in the previous video, I found it for $30 to fill up 500 gallons. So almost all of that is $30. I'm actually gonna have 1,000 gallons delivered this time because the hot tub holds 277 gallons. So this time it's gonna cost me $60, but next time I need to refill that green tank over there, it's just 30 bucks. for 500 gallons. And it's a 550, so I can get real low and then be like, okay, come on over. And then 2 days he'll be over to fill it up. And I will be sharing that later. As for everything else, it's gonna seem really dumb to y'all, but I cannot stop smiling, guys. I haven't been this happy in a long, 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 long time. Really enjoying life. I've also, I quit trimming my beard since I got back to Arizona. I don't know if I'm gonna grow the beard out again, maybe? Maybe that would be like a homestead thing I wanna do, I don't know. Long beard on Nomadic Fanatic. Give it 1 year and see what I can come up with here. Well, I can do a lot. I'm pretty motivated, guys. So, yeah. A little warm, but not too bad. I got the fan going on top of the RV. It's 76 degrees inside the RV, so still comfortable, but, and it's that dry heat. Oh, thank goodness. Love it. Black Betty. I joined a local Harley group. Not a club or anything like that, just a very casual group of Harley riders here in Sholo, and we have some trips planned for next week, actually, some midweek trips when it's going to be 80 degrees. Tara Bear, you're crying. We sees you. Oh my goodness, we sees a girl. She's such a good girl. Man, Dad, you need to get all this Mickey stuff out of here and on display. I know, Opie, I do. I need to get on it. Yeah. Y'all be well. I'll see you in a few days. Bye-bye.